put back together a little wild crash a couple weeks ago. So it's been a long, wild season here for the Supercross West. And there are only 100 left to take the green flag on this model line, but that's one of them they had a couple weeks ago. It may not contend for a win here tonight, but he should get it out here to take the official green flag. Because here in New Smyrna, we only count the green flag lap unless it's 100 lap race. So that lap didn't count, not an official start. There goes the 2X back to pit road. Now, safety crews and records over there to talk to Preston Hunt, make sure he's okay. Nonetheless, Preston Hunt is okay, that's what matters. Preston Hunt, a hard lick coming out of turn 4. Looks like he will be all right. His pride in his car, not so much, but you're right, Ryan. That Tiger made it way further than what he did. With the wheel again sitting down here in the infield as, look at this development, the 44. Michael John here, most recent winner. Almost, and I don't want to say this, we've almost given Travis Suga a red carpet ride to victory lane, but pink carpet as it would be tonight. But that was eerie similar as well as we saw an accident earlier this year with the 3 car of the Supersonic that also needed to in the front stretch as well after contact. So it seems like there's people still like staying on these cars here as we see Preston Hunt's car on the hook, making his way through turn 4. Here he comes, West. Here comes the 2X Michael Otto. Looks like he's going to make the start and take home that championship without an effort. That team to get him back out. We'll see. I'm not counting him out. He can still win this already. Ryan, Mike's pride is as long as his beard. Great job for either of those guys. Give the tire rub, taking care of all that left rub. It's like Rocky in the road. He was also collected in that accident. But yes, Preston Hunt out of contention. Possibly going to lose this not big deal, but with the way this race is shaping up, everybody's got a 77. Big opportunities on the still landing, not ball let's check the stretch of my bottom. It's flat. Settle down. Travis is working his way out of the car. Put your hands together for tonight's winner, Travis Suka. Travis, number 3 of the season. This time it didn't come as difficult as we've seen before. You leading from flag to flag. Had a little bit of drama happening behind you before that started off. Walk us through how you were able to just dominate this race.
I don't know. I guess you just got to start up front in this class. I didn't see what happened behind me, but yeah, I don't know.
I guess that's one of the keys of starting up front. You don't have to worry about what happens behind you now. We see this car handle a little bit better than what we've seen it handle before. Have you changed anything? What has changed to get this piece up front and as competitive as it has been?
We had less stagger this week.
So sometimes that's all it takes. Who would you like to thank to help put this together for you, not only for tonight, but for this season?
My dad and Delegate Graphics, my mom, Dr. Hill, and everybody that comes out. Delegate Sprinklers, thank you.
Are we missing any sponsors here?
No.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time for Travis Suka. Michael, man, you are impressive, young man. You got a win. You haven't finished worse than 3rd all year. Great way to finish the regular season here in your super stock.
Yeah, I mean, it was good. I was on the start, got in good. I was going down the back stretch, had a run coming out of 2, got underneath the 2, and I was all the way to his door, and he just came down on me.
Well, hey, that's racing, and beating and banging. That's why you got fenders on these things. Sometimes things happen. It just looked like one of those racing deals. You're gonna have that in racing. That's the thing. I wouldn't worry about that too much.
Oh yeah.
Who would you like to thank for helping you get here to 2nd with this beautiful number 44?
Butch, Joey with direct millwork, coaches out here, gets his parts, comes over there and works on it. And my mom, my dad, my grandpa.
Gotta give some love to Dad. Is he the one that trained you on how to be so good in these super stocks? Because your dad's not bad himself.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? So, what'd you need tonight to get by the 45 of Suka?
If I didn't go to the rear, I probably would have stayed with him, maybe had a chance at him.
Just one of those track position deals, huh?
Yeah.
Well, excuse me. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Michael Trockett down here. A great season. A young, up-and-coming driver. Keep your eye on this kid. He's going to be good. And now, a beaten and battered championship-winning car down here. Mike Amato, our track champion. Mike Amato, you bring this thing somehow home in 3rd. I was a little worried, man, when that wreck happened and we didn't get an official start. You had to start this race, and I'm like, oh, man, good thing David Gould's not here. But what a battle all year long. It's been a wild year. You've been involved in wrecks. You've won. But you guys, you and Wally here, you guys have battled so hard to get this championship.
Yeah, I mean, from the beginning, it's been a fight. Second night out, we about totaled the car. Halfway through the season, totaled the car. And my buddy Wally here, he hooked me up, got it fixed up, and so I got to thank Wally and all my teammates here, my sponsors, Utility Service of New England, Coastal Chiropractic, American Auto. They're all great and they've helped me out all year long, and I really appreciate it. I got to thank Jane and Robert Hart, Rusty. I got to thank you, and everybody and all the fans. Thanks for coming out. I'm glad you stuck around to see the show. Thank you.
Oh, Mike, like you said, you wrecked the car. You even had engine issues just a couple of weeks ago. And I'm telling you, every time you would hit the wall, this thing would be totaled. I'm like, there's no way. This team, just like you did tonight, you proved it. You fought so hard all year long to just get this car back here, and you were always a factor. What does this championship mean to you?
Oh, it's a dream come true. I've been chasing it for years and years, and it's just I couldn't get it done without Wally here. He was really there, key to this whole thing, and I really appreciate it. It was a worst case scenario to wreck on the first lap. I'm thinking, oh, this is it. But we kept it together, and we were able to finish the race. I was really happy. Would have been nice to get a late race caution. Could have maybe finished a little better, but we were happy with the outcome.
So you think, despite all the damage, but despite this thing steaming down here, if we would have got a caution, you still had some for the race win?
I think so.
Well, unfortunately we didn't get it, but hey, congratulations on a great season. Ladies and gentlemen, 3rd place tonight, but overall, your track champion, Mike Amato.
we get to fix it up for next year. So see you guys next year.
All right, that's what we like to hear. A true racer out here. Congratulations to the entire Auto Motorsports team. Thank you guys for being here every week. Congratulations again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for coming out and joining us for tonight's Hart to Hart 100. Appreciate you guys sticking around.